From smart prep tools to time-saving appliances, these kitchen finds are designed to make everyday cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting, or just simplifying your routine, there's something here that can genuinely upgrade how you cook and serve your favorite meals at home. All products links in the description section below. What I really enjoy about this Corrode pots and pans set is how effortlessly it fits into everyday life. Whether I'm cooking a quick breakfast or prepping dinner for friends, the detachable handles make switching from stove to oven to table feel seamless. It keeps my kitchen less cluttered and cleanup surprisingly easy, which honestly saves time after long days. That said, the removable handle takes a little getting used to at first, especially when you're in a rush. Still, once you adapt, it's a smart, space-saving upgrade that just makes cooking feel more relaxed and flexible. What I personally love about the Primula Half Moon teapot is how it turns a simple tea break into a little ritual. You can watch the tea leaves unfurl through the clear glass, and it feels a bit like a mini art show in your kitchen. The removable stainless steel infuser keeps everything neat, and serving for cups makes it perfect for casual catch-ups or quiet mornings. The only slight drawback is that you can't heat it directly on the stove, so you need an extra kettle. Still, it's a charming, practical set that makes brewing tea feel thoughtful and relaxing. What I personally like about this bread maker is how it brings that fresh-baked, cozy bakery feeling right into your home without the usual effort. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let it handle the rest. It's perfect for busy mornings or relaxed weekends when you still want something homemade and warm. The variety of presets makes it easy to experiment beyond basic bread too. One small drawback is that it can be a bit bulky on limited counter space. Still, for the convenience and comfort it delivers, it's a genuinely satisfying kitchen companion. What I personally like about this electric espresso maker is how it turns everyday coffee into a quick, cafe-style moment without the fuss. Whether I'm kickstarting a busy morning or unwinding in the evening, it delivers rich, aromatic espresso in minutes. The compact size and detachable base make it easy to use and move around, which fits perfectly into smaller kitchens or even office setups. One potential drawback is the limited capacity if you're serving a crowd. Still, for personal use or a couple of cups, it's a convenient, stylish way to upgrade your coffee routine. Mornings feel a lot smoother when your toaster actually keeps up with you, and this one adds a small but satisfying twist. The clear view window lets you watch your bread turn golden in real time, while the wide slots handle everything from bagels to thick slices without fuss. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly improves your daily routine. If you enjoy simple, stress-free breakfasts, this is worth a try. That said, the plastic build may not feel as premium as some higher-end models, especially for long-term durability. If you like the idea of one appliance doing it all, this air fryer toaster oven fits right into a busy kitchen. From quick snacks to full family meals, it handles everything with smart controls and precise temperature adjustments, so you're not constantly checking your food. The large capacity makes it great for gatherings or meal prepping, while the presets simplify everyday cooking. It's a solid option if you want to upgrade your routine without adding clutter. Just keep in mind, its size can take up noticeable counter space, especially in smaller kitchens. A small upgrade like this honey dispenser can quietly make your kitchen feel more organized and a bit more enjoyable to use every day. Instead of dealing with sticky spills or messy bottles, you get smooth, controlled pouring for tea, pancakes, or even coffee sweetening. The glass design also adds a nice decorative touch on the counter, making it both practical and visually appealing. It's the kind of simple tool you'll reach for more often than expected. However, the glass body can be a little fragile, so it's something to handle with care during daily use. In a busy kitchen, a vacuum sealer like this can quietly change how you store and enjoy food, especially if you like meal prepping or keeping leftovers fresh for longer. It helps lock in flavor, reduces waste, and even frees up fridge space, making everyday cooking feel a bit more organized and less rushed. One thing to keep in mind is it relies on specific bags and takes some practice to get clean seals, which may feel limiting at first, but once you get used to it, it quickly becomes a tool you'll reach for. In a kitchen where both style and function matter, this bamboo and stainless steel cutting board fits right in. The double-sided design makes it easy to switch between chopping meats and prepping vegetables, while the juice groove helps keep your countertop cleaner during busy cooking moments. It's handy for meal prep or serving a simple charcuterie setup when guests come over. One downside is that it needs hand washing and care to maintain its finish, which may not suit everyone's routine. Still, it's worth considering if you want to upgrade your prep space. In a kitchen where fresh fruit prep feels like a chore, this pineapple corer and slicer turns it into a quick, almost effortless task. The stainless steel blade and ergonomic handle quickly create clean pineapple rings, perfect for snacks, smoothies, or cocktails at home. It reduces mess compared to knife cutting when prepping fruit for guests or meals. Works best on ripe pineapples and may take practice at first. Still, if you enjoy fresh fruit often, it's a simple tool worth having in your kitchen. You might find yourself reaching for it surprisingly often too. For those relaxed evenings or small gatherings at home, an electric wine opener like this adds a bit of ease and elegance to the moment. With just a button press, you're opening bottles smoothly without the usual effort, which makes hosting feel more seamless and enjoyable. Its compact design also means it won't take up much space on your counter or bar area. The only thing to note is it needs occasional charging, which can be easy to forget. Still, it's a simple upgrade that makes the whole experience feel a little more effortless and refined. In those early mornings or quick evening breaks, an electric kettle like this makes boiling water feel almost effortless. Whether you're making tea, coffee, or instant meals, the fast heating saves time and keeps your routine moving smoothly. The auto shutoff adds a layer of safety, especially during busy moments. One small drawback is its limited capacity, which may not be ideal when serving multiple people at once. Still, for everyday use and convenience, it's a reliable kitchen companion you'll likely find yourself using more often than expected. For quick lunches or relaxed weekend meals, an electric press grill like this makes cooking feel simple and satisfying. You can toast sandwiches, grill veggies, or even cook burgers without needing multiple pans, which keeps things efficient and less messy. The compact design also works well in smaller kitchens or shared spaces. One thing to consider is the cooking surface size, which might feel limited when preparing food for more than 2 people at once. Still, for everyday convenience and variety, it's an easy addition that can make mealtime a bit more enjoyable. During long work sessions or slow mornings, a coffee mug warmer like this helps keep your drink at the perfect temperature without constant reheating. It's especially useful on a desk, letting you sip at your own pace while staying focused. The adjustable heat settings and auto shutoff add a bit of convenience and peace of mind to your routine. One small downside is it works best with flat-bottom mugs, so not every cup may heat evenly. Still, if you enjoy warm drinks throughout the day, it's a simple upgrade worth trying. For slow mornings or when you want to enjoy coffee with a bit more intention, a pour-over maker like this brings a simple, hands-on experience to your routine. It helps highlight richer flavors while giving you control over each brew, whether you're starting your day or taking a quiet break. The reusable filter also cuts down on waste, which is a nice bonus. One thing to note is it takes a bit more time and attention compared to automatic machines. Still, if you enjoy the process as much as the coffee itself, it's definitely worth trying. For everyday meals or quick family dinners, an electric rice cooker like this takes the stress out of getting perfectly cooked rice every time. You can set it and focus on other parts of your routine while it handles the cooking, which makes busy days a lot easier. It's also versatile enough for soups, grains, or simple one-pot meals. One thing to keep in mind is the capacity may feel a bit small for larger households or gatherings. Still, for consistent results and convenience, it's a practical addition you'll likely rely on often. For slow afternoons or calming evening routines, a glass teapot like this adds a more mindful touch to making tea. Watching the tea steep, especially with blooming teas, turns a simple drink into a relaxing experience you can actually enjoy. It's great for hosting or just unwinding on your own with a warm cup. One thing to be mindful of is the glass design requires a bit of careful handling to avoid damage. Still, if you appreciate both function and presentation, it's a lovely piece that can elevate your daily tea ritual. For small kitchens, dorms, or even outdoor cooking setups, an electric hot plate like this adds a lot of flexibility without taking up much space. You can cook multiple dishes at once, making it useful for quick meals or when your main stove is busy. The simple knob controls keep things straightforward and easy to manage. One thing to keep in mind is it can take a little time to heat up and cool down compared to traditional stoves. Still, for portable and reliable cooking, it's a handy option worth considering for everyday use. For anyone trying to balance convenience with healthier cooking, a glass air fryer like this fits nicely into everyday routines. It lets you enjoy crispy meals with less oil, whether you're making quick dinners, reheating leftovers, or prepping snacks for the day. The clear glass design also adds a nice touch, letting you see your food as it cooks. One thing to consider is it takes up a bit more space than simpler appliances, especially with dual containers. Still, if you want a more versatile and cleaner cooking option, it's definitely worth exploring. For quick prep during busy cooking moments, a compact food chopper like this can save you time and effort. It's great for chopping veggies, herbs, or even making simple sauces without pulling out larger appliances, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. The one-touch control makes it easy to use, especially when you're multitasking in the kitchen. One thing to keep in mind is the smaller capacity, which may require multiple batches for bigger meals. Still, for everyday convenience, it's a handy little tool you'll likely find yourself using often. Which of these kitchen tools do you think would actually make your daily routine easier, and is there one you'd try first in your own kitchen? Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.